Hi, my name is Ray Bernard, and I've created a really cool Streamlit application under my Git repo that you're welcome to install. First, you're going to git clone that, and then you're going to hopefully give me a star. And then I'm going to show you how to run this application using Visual Code. All you have to do is just type in Streamlit, run app.py, and here we have the Streamlit application running for us. It has 3 boxes. What we're going to do is we're going to input a prompt, input what we want to have the AI generate, and this is obviously something that you would choose to your use case. In this case, I'm just a few examples. You can actually generate also a system message to tell how your AI should behave. Pretty easy to do. Let's do another one. There you go. John Adams and Thomas Jefferson both died in July 4th, 1826. Of course, you want to have the model respond with the correct information and just hit to accept the inputs. Once you do that, you can actually go back and look at the JSON file, which is JSONL format.